Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, this is HumbleFx. Today we are discussing a strategy I call the excellent crossover strategy. Okay, this is the crossover strategy. All right, you see, we are about to enter New Year, so this is crossing over to the New Year strategy. Okay, guys, if you are new to this channel, as usual, please help us and subscribe to this channel and also hit on the bell so that you get notified once a new video is uploaded. Okay guys, that is what it is. Today we are talking about a strategy I called the crossover strategy. All right guys, this is used for swinging, used for scalping, so depend on who you are, what trade you are taking, dependent on you who you are. If you are a scalper, you can use it to scalp your market. If you are a swing trader, you can trade with it as well. Depends on the type of trader that you are. Okay guys, let's get to work. This is simple, very simple strategy. Very simple strategy that you can use to make the market. Please, once again, you can subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Hit the bell beside to get notified once video is uploaded and all that. And please share to your friends. If you like it, comment, give us a thumbs up, and we will attend to you. Okay, and please, we have an update on the HumbleFx family. All right, we have an update. We have came to give you a VIP signal. If you joined our group earlier, you joined our Telegram group. Below the video description, you will see that we have been giving free signals for long time right now, and now we have produced a VIP room. Okay, VIP room whereby student members just pay a dime. Okay, you are paying a peanut to get what is excellent. Okay, so you can just uh, uh, check on the video description and you contact me directly, then you will be added to the VIP room. The price is too little that it can afford, anybody can afford it. Okay, remember, we are not after your money, we just want to help everybody grow their account without much loss. All right guys, while you learn, you also earn. Okay guys, right now, and if you want to learn price action, I'm going to be doing live stream here on the channel from next week or this week once I fix my audio. My last video has no sound because of lack of audio on my PC. Okay, so just pardon my video last time because it has no audio. Okay guys, now let us get to business. And please, if you need to get my indicator, okay guys, I'm no longer giving that for totally free. You can get it now at a very reduced price. The indicators cost up to $200, but I'm giving it to 80% discount to about the 10 people that will come first. That is it. Now let us get to business. This is the strategy. Let me tell you how it works. This one here already, it is what we have already done before. Already we know these ones, what we have done before earlier in our last strategy. If you did not get this strategy, this particular settings for this strategy, you just go to the channel, you will see a strategy called the excellent strategy. Okay, that is the strategy there. That's not what we are doing here today. I just use it to trade. That's why I left it in my chart. Okay, we are discussing only the ones on the main chart today. If you want to get these ones, go to the channel, you will see excellent strategy, or check on this video description, you will see the link to the excellent strategy, and you go there and watch it and get what you want to get. It's awesome. Okay guys, what we do here, this in the main chart we have about 4 EMA, 4 moving averages. Okay, so how, when do we take trade, when do we take our trades in this market? First of all, we wait for the two purple and is it orange and the purple, the green, when the green crosses over them upwards, this is crash 1000. when the green crosses over the two purple or the two other moving averages upwards, then we are buying. Okay, and when we buy, we don't stay too long because this is a minute time frame. We can just take like 10 candles and we get out of the market. Okay, remember, before you take stake long in the market, you have to know the trend you have to know the market trend. Remember, the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. So before you take longer candles, like you see that market crossed over right here, the market crossed over. This is the green line crossing over the other two lines above. Look at what's happened. It sold. Okay, let me show you what happened right there. It has to sell. It has to buy. Sorry, look at it. It's buy to this extent. It bought all the way from the cross, and it's still buying. Okay, look at it is still buying and buying and buying and buying. You see how much you should have made if you enter this market at this crossing of this market here. Okay, let's take for another example. This is for scalpers. Okay, but now look at this one particularly. There is a crossover right here. Although it gave you the 10 candles, but maybe you wanted to stay longer like the other ones here, you see you should have been caught in a spike. Okay, that is one thing we have to understand. So we have to be careful when trading. No strategy is 100% accurate, so you have to be very careful. Look at it here. It's crossed over right here. The green crossed over the two other averages in the main chart, and it moved. But for me, this black line here is the 200 moving averages, which I call the dynamic support and resistance level. So when the market is at close to that level, you should know that you have to exit, because something stupid can happen. It may break it, but just exit market. And look at it. It closed over here actually, and we entered the market. It moved, but it came close to this support here, resistance level here, and a spike happened. It came close to it. It happened. It came to it. A spike happened. So you see how markets is respecting that level. So be careful when you are trading, when the market is close to this support level of resistance, this 200 moving average. It is very important to note that. Okay, look at it here. Also, it did the same thing happen. It came to test it here, and it spiked down. So be careful about that. This is a scalping strategy. Okay, scalping strategy. Look at it, another one here. As a crossover right here, it crosses the 200, the green line crosses the two other moving averages, and boom, you enter your market and make your money and go. Okay, another cross happened here, and you take your money and go. This is I said this was scalping. Now let's check out for swing trading. Let's check out for swing trading. That part, you can go to your 5-minute time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame, or the 15-minute time frame. This is the setup I use when I want to swing trade. These two setup. So when it's cross, I know it's going to go up higher and higher. Okay, but that does not mean it cannot repent. It can repent, because it is a strategy, and it is bent to repent. It's not a derivative owner. So it can repent. Don't trust much. Don't trust or suddenly on strategies or indicators, because they can repent when they want to repent. Okay, so let me use 5-minute time frame for this, for the trading. Now look at the market. Look at what we are doing. When are we going to enter the market? When the cross happen, when the green crossing the other two moving averages, we have to enter our buy. Okay, and look at it bought for some times. It bought for some times, even though a spike, it still came up to buy before the final downtrend continues. That's why you need to know your trend, to know what is happening in the market. Is it trending downward or upward? The spike also, it's also crossed over here, and look at it. continue moving upwards. All right, that is also an awesome one. So but I would like you to use this strategy to scalp rather than swinging. Look at it also, except you enter at a very support level, a crash, and at a strong zone in boom. Okay, look at this, a cross happened here, and remember this is a 5 minute time frame, so any candle here equals to 5 candles. So if you are taking this long trade, you know how much you have made if you take this market. Okay, that is how to swing with this market. This is crash 1000. Let us check boom 500. Okay, it's the same thing that happens in the boom 500 and the boom 1000 also happens in the crash 1000 and crash 500. But remember, crash of 1000 and boom 1000, they actually obey more because spike does not happen anyhow in them. But in crash 1000, in crash 500, spike happen always. But then if you are careful enough, you can scalp with them and make your profit. Look at boom 500, a cross happened here, a cross happened in this place right here, and look at what happened. Look at what happened. It continues to move down, move down, move down, move down. It has not actually come up to cross over again. That is why we are still holding. Well, if we are in the market, we are still holding. And look at how much we would have made. Each candle here represents 5 minute time frame, and you know how much that should have been to you. Look at it here. Even though if you know price action, you should know that something has formed here. This is information, and when this has formed already, and this thing happened, this spike, this thing cross here, and we know that we are going for a big time business. Look at, we have already formed an information here. If you know about price action, you would understand that this is a perfect and great trade to embark on, because you know that even if there's a pullback, the pullback is going to be little. Okay, now look at we, this is, sorry, why am I going from time to time frame? Okay, I just want to show you something that you need to understand. This is the price action we are saying about. They are formed M formation, which means we are to go down, even though without any indicator, which we know that we are, and this informed, we know we are going downward. And again, a cross happened here as well. So it is about a double confirmation that we should actually trade the market. And look at what happened here. It continue going down. Okay, look at this and see, and that cross here, the grain is crossing the 2 MAs and it goes down. And when also the green cross the 2 MA for boom and or crash downward, and also cross the 200 MA downward, we know we are taking the trade further down. And look at what happened. It crossed the, here we enter market, it's also crossed here. We know that we are going to hold it down for longer time. Okay, that is how excellent it is. There's a cross here and see downward movement. This is excellent. Okay guys, that is how it is used. That is what it is, guys. Get to work and practice your market. I would like you guys to just use this first on the demo account. Please use it on your demo account. Don't just rush to your live account, because you can break account. Okay, use it on demo account to understand how it works and then practice. All right, this is now scalping method. I recommend you guys to scalp with teeth. Scalp first to gather some profit. Wait for the market to come to you. Don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. Okay, you can see I'm still growing my little account. My little account is still growing. Look at, I'm trying to make this is gotten today by this excellent strategy. Okay, you can actually use that strategy on and make your profit. This is gotten by the excellent strategy. So you can, this is the ones here, you can check on the video in the description or the channel. You get the strategy right there. It is awesome. This one too is a great one to trade the scalping the market. Okay guys, please, on the next video I'm going to be discussing another good strategy that you don't want to miss out. So subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell notification to get updates when those videos will be released. Okay guys, anticipate. And please, if you want to get our signals on the VIP room, please send a message through the link on the video description, and you will get to me directly. Okay guys, and if you want to join our team, our group, there's also a link in the video description. Then you can get to the group, join there, and meet with other members of the team HumbleFx. Okay guys, and your life will not remain the same. This is HumbleFx, the home of successful traders. Please give us a thumbs up, like our video, comment on this video, and I'll be glad to attend to you. I will be glad to see your comments. If you have any question, you can ask, and I'll also answer you once as soon as I see your questions. Okay, okay guys, this is it. Go ahead and try it on your demo, and you will be glad you did. This is HumbleFX signing out. Yeah, hello guys, please forgive me, I did not send you guys the settings of this market. Let us check out the settings. The settings of the market is this. The main chart here will have the MA. Look at, we are discussing this ones is for the last video of our excellent strategy. Now this is what we are discussing today. We discussed actually today. Okay, for the first one, we have the 200 moving average. Shoot is 0. Exponential is the method applied to close, and the pixel I choose black. You can choose any color of your choice, and you click on done. The next one here we have the period is 10. Shift is 0. As the smoothed is the method applied to close, and you choose any pixel and color of your choice. You click on done. The next stuff here is the period is 16. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Then you choose any color and pixel of your choice. You click on done. The next one is the period is 48. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close, and you choose any method, any pixel of your choice, and click on done. After which you are good to go. That is the excellent strategy. That is the crossover strategy on the main chart. Guys, thank you so much.